box, as you Hi guys, and welcome to another PKTV Productions. This is a really good treat today because we've just got the Mavic Mini Fly kit right here today. And here it is right here. So this is the Mavic Mini Fly kit, and this little fella is actually going to go up and be tested and also be used quite a fair bit. It is 249 grams, very ultra light little thing, and it's definitely worth a look at. And I'm going to take a look at what's in the box and how she flies as well. So sit back and relax and enjoy the scenery, because this is the Mavic Mini. Right, let's open the Mavic Mini up. Okay, so this is the Fly kit. So this comes with everything you need, as you can see in the box there, with the Mavic Mini and the controller, as well as the 3 batteries, the battery charger carry case, and also the extra propellers, the extra joysticks for the controller as well as the propeller protecting cage, as you can see right there. So let's open her up and we'll see what else we get in the box. So Mavic Mini, this is a 249 gram ultralight drone, so that's very important because you can travel anywhere without having any type of permit or any type of license to actually run this particular drone. So I'm just opening up the box here for the first time, and we're greeted with that great case. And let me just grab that. Cool, and here is the Mavic Mini case, and it really feels good. The fabric there, it's a really tough case. It feels like it'll definitely protect the Mavic for sure. And then we have the blade case, obviously the propeller casing for indoor use, preferably, or if you needed some training wheels, obviously for outside use, if it's your first time drone or anything like that. So that will protect your propellers in flight, so you don't crash as easily. And in Australia, obviously, we have these pamphlets that are pretty much telling you to be safe at droning. And here we go. So the rest of what we have in the box looks like documentation. We have what looks to be the battery symbol down the bottom there, if I can get that out. There we go. There's the battery symbol, and actually that's the power. That's the power charger, and this is the battery charger right here. I'm just getting the batteries right here, not the charger, the actual batteries. The physical 3 batteries are in this box. And let's open up the actual case and see what we get inside here. So it's a really nice case, really nice fabric. So it's definitely durable, I would say. And we have, obviously, the case with the remote and the Mavic Mini itself. So we have the Mavic Mini here. It is without the battery because it's incredibly more lighter than 249 grams. So very nice indeed. And you see at the back there, it's all tied down with all stickers and such. But you've got the 4 propellers there. We've got the gimbal and camera up front there. It is incredibly light. Now I'm going to put this to the side while we look at the other stuff here. So here is the remote itself. So this is what you mount your smartphone on. And this is also extra propellers, I'm assuming, and anything else. we've got our charging pack. So this is where the 3 batteries are going to be put in very soon. And then we've got the various cables and stuff that will actually be USB cables, probably the screwdriver and various other stuff that we haven't unpacked. So what we get is, in that little box, we have our USB, we have all the USB, micro USB for the controller, we've had the extra joysticks there, we've got our charger, we've got the 3 batteries, as you can see right there, and of course we've got our power adapter, which is a mobile phone type adapter. You can see right there it's about the standard 5 watts, so really nice. And as you can see, these are the 3 batteries, and we're going to now put the controller together and just get that up and running. But there's also 3 propellers in the box, as you can see right there. You also get a screwdriver as well, but I'm just going to put the battery in the back of this, and we'll set up the controller and everything like that. Just give me a few seconds. Alright, the first thing we need to do is actually screw in these little joysticks. So they give you a second pair of joysticks, but the actual pair that you get, the first pair, is actually underneath the bracket that holds your phone. I've mistakenly in this video I put the spare ones on, thinking, you know, I couldn't find the other ones without opening it up. So as you can see, you've got the record button there, the gimbal button, we've got the photo button there, we've got the 2 aerials, we've got the back there. It's very similar, but we've got the micro USB at the back, and we've got our takeoff and land button, and also the on button and the battery indicator. So we don't have obviously the LCD screen as you would have with the Mavic Pro, but it's pretty much a full-on control. So similar to the Mavic Pro, we open her up in the same way. We open the 2 arms and then we roll out the back arms, as you can see right here. Push down and out, like so. Go. And the next thing we need to do is actually put pull out, even without the battery, it's just really light. As we look around the aircraft, we've got the battery bay, we've got the micro USB, the USB and all that sort of stuff at the back there. Let's open her up. The battery case there, so that's the battery casing. That's where we put the battery. So I'm just going to put that in so we can get this powered up. So we just open up the back, and it's very easy to align. You just find how it aligns and you put it in. Very easy. It just snaps into place and you shut the lid. There you go. So there's micro USB, the micro SD card slot, and that's what I'm just about to put in right now, is a 64GB ultra fast SanDisk micro SD card. Just put that in. Next thing we need to do is get the gimbal cover off, which is actually a lot easier to get off than the Mavic Pro. So that's off. We've got our gimbal free, and now we're going to see if we can get some battery on this thing. So there's a little bit of battery on there in the remote, and there's the Fly app, which you need to download. Yes, that is on an iPhone 8. Because the iPhone 11 is actually filming this. So that's pretty much stock standard iPhone 8. So let's open her up. Okay, it looks like there is no power on this specific battery. Might have to check out the other batteries to see how much charge there actually is. It looks like there's actually quite a bit of charge in the actual remote, but see if we can get everything up and running. So I'm just going to go and set this up quickly, and we will see if we can get some power in this and try to engage it. Right, we finally got the FlyMore app up and running, as you can see right here. So that is the camera live from the drone, as you can see on the screen there. So I've got base settings here. It's telling me to actually recharge the battery on the drone. So there wasn't a lot of power out of the box for any of the batteries. So as you can see right here, I'm just looking at the photos, there's videos, capabilities there. That's the 1080p mode, that's the 2.7K mode at 30 frames per second, which I have set. And yeah, that's just what it is at the moment. So I'm just about to do a firmware update, and we'll see if we can get this up and running. And some flight. Right, so I'm just about to fly the Mavic and see what we have to run it, the Mavic Mini. That's the park I'm going to. Right, so that's it. This is the Mavic Mini. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little video that we have for the Mavic Mini Fly More kit. I'll leave you a little bit more footage here for our outro. But if you like this video, obviously subscribe and check out our other videos with the Mavic Mini in the future. So, here's the Mavic Mini, and I'll see you guys next time. Cheers.
Not the